Want to say a big thank you to the branding team for very kindly reaching out to me to offer me this 3-in-1 charging station for your Apple phone, your AirPods and your Apple Watch. The charging is done via magnets and they are built into your devices or your case. Do check the listing to make sure all your devices are compatible with the product to make sure it is going to be charging for you. It does come in 8 different colours. You're going to find something you absolutely love. I got this beautiful pink. This would be perfect for travel, so it folds away really nicely, but also for everyday use as well. In the box there you get the charging station as well as the cable and the plug as well. Please make sure you use those ones for safety and efficiency to make sure your device charges properly. And all you do, you would unfold the charging station there and place your devices on there. So in the middle there you've got your charging space for your AirPods, and you'll notice that when you put it in there it does light up. Then you've got the cradle there for your Apple Watch. You just slip it in there and it does hold on very firmly, so don't worry, it's not going to fall off. And then right at the very front, you've got your MagSafe device for your Apple phone, and it clips on there nicely, and you can charge that vertically or horizontally, whichever way you prefer. It's a really handy little device. It comes with a warranty. I think it's really perfect for travel as a spare or as your main as well. It's nice and foldable, really nice and compact, and just a really great little unit. Thank you so much again for the branding team for very kindly sending it out to me. I really do appreciate it. It's going to be my travel go-to charger for all of my devices, which I can't live without when I'm on holiday.